Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video we will discuss about how we can generate the money from the money. So guys, we will see with a simple example. Guys, you suppose you get one lottery and the owner of the lottery is giving you two options to collect the money. First option he will give to collect the 10 crore rupees in the single shot, and second option he give that sir, you tax 2 rupees on the first day and we will give you double of the money every day. So generally what options you will choose? So in the generally we have to choose the first options, because first options is looking the huge amount, and we can if we receive this huge amount we can start anything of startup or business or ventures. But we does not focus on the second options because it is not looking the reliable amount. It is looking very small amount. But just wait 1 minute and think about the second options. If you go with the second option, it will be, guys, one of the magic. That magic, according to Albert Einstein, it will be the eighth wonder of the world, which name is compounding. So we will see what is the compounding in this video. So if you are new on channel, please like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So guys, if you go with the second option, first day you get 2 rupees, but at the end of the month, 30 of the month, you will get around 107 crore rupees. If you sum all the amount together, all the entire month, so it will be comes around 200 214 crore rupees. So this is this is the magic of compounding. So we will see that the richest person of the world, we're talking about the Warren Buffett, Rakesh Zunjunwala, Vijay Gedia, these all peoples are earn the money with the magic of compounding. They learn about the compounding and they take the money from the money. So generally people's we does not know that the money can be taken or money can be maxed from the money. But the richest guys is know that how we can generate the money from the money. So generally in our class, in the middle class or below class, the people does not know that how we can nobody teaching about the money, that the money can be make from the money. So if you're talking about the growth, that linear, normal peoples have the linear graphs, but the richer people have the compound growth with the time. So if you want to reach, then you have to follow the compounding growth. According to Albert Einstein, one who understand compounding, he can be earned. When does not know about the compounding, he will lose. So compounding we'll discuss about in this video. What is compounding, how it is works. So guys, in the deep in this video we'll discuss about what is the compounding. So basically if you learn about the compounding literacy, you can be able to make the financial free. So in this video we will see what is the compounding. Guys, in the child stage we all know about the compounding interest. That simple interest is calculate on the principal but we can generate the interest on the interest, that is called compounding interest. So the same things is applicable in the market. That same thing is applicable in these things we have learned with this simple example. Suppose you invest 1 lakh rupees on the 10% interest for the next 1 year, and you get it 10,000 around interest after 1 year. So after 1 year, the total amount of the 1,10,000, and for the next year, your interest will be 11,000, and your accumulated money will be 1,21,000. Then for the again next year, it will be the interest will be 12,100. So guys, if you look that after some time, that amount will be very, very high. It will be very high with your imagination. So all the financial markets work on compounding. If you're talking about the equity market, mutual funds, banking, FD, everything's are work on the compounding. So compounding is the the things which is giving the compounded annual growth rate. So normally people does not have the patience, and they have to invest only for the small times. But you know what, if you go with the compounding is work with the time. If you invest for the long time, you may be the rich. Okay, similar things we have to example in the lottery also, that in the starting you have to see the 2 rupees, but and the month you have to see a very, very high amount. But this is the hypothetical example, but in the real life we will see the real example of the compounding. So what happened in the Maharashtra and the small village Amler, one guy is Muhammad Anwar, which was invest in Wipro company and take around 100 share for the amount of 10,000 in 1980. So what happened that in the Anwar's take around 100 shares and 10,000 in 1980, and after 40 years, 2020, one reports is say that companies giving lot of bonus, and the shares is splitted in all the 40 years, and in the 2019 report, that share is around 2,56 crore, and once one shares price in 2019 was 600 crore. So if you calculate that amount, it will be around 1,500 crore. So that is a very huge amount. So you can see the magic of the compounding. So if the same things, if you see that share is again divided, and the company is also giving the bonus share sometimes to the customers, and in the or of the period the share is splitted at many times in the year. So that share will be divided, and it will be splitted, and in the long term it will be gives a very good amount. So guys, definitely you see, we talking about the compounding जो है definitely can be make funny from the money, can be make from the money. So in the year to year your compounding will work. So in the compounding, time factor is the very important factor. You know what, with this example we have to learn. Suppose you have to invest in compounding. Through compounding age of 25, you have to invest 5,000 rupees for the 30 year, and after mature of 55 year, suppose you get average 14% of the return. So your investment value will be 18 lakh, and your mature value will be 2 crore 78 lakh rupees. We take the other example. Suppose you have to hear about compounding in age of 35, and you take the SIP plan of 10,000 for the amount of 10,000 for the next 20 year, and on the maturity of 55 year, if supposed to average 14% return, your value will be 24 lakh, and your returns will be around about to 1 crore rupees. In the third example, we have to see that if you hear about compounding age 45, you have to invest 20,000 in the SIPs, and after the mature value of the 55 year, average return on 14%, your principal will be 24 lakh rupees and you have to get the amount of 52 lakh. So all three examples that is showing that if you invest in early stage you will get a very good amount. If you invest late, you will get the less amount. So this is the basic principle in the compounding, the time factor. If you invest earlier you will get a very good amount. If you invest too late you will get a very less amount. So this is the most important factor. The second factor is the interest rate actually. So if you take the low risk, then your index, you can invest in the index fund. If you want to take the medium risk, then the mutual fund is the best option. And if you take the high return, then you can invest in stock and company market, but that is high risk. So guys, if you talk about the Warren Buffett, this guys is invest in the long term investment. Mostly time he have to give his time to study in the financial study of the companies, their balance sheet, reports and all the things, and he have the invest for the long term. He have the choose that kind of company like Coca-Cola, American Express and Apples, which maybe give the good interest rate in the future. So guys, what we are summarize in this video, that two factors are very important in the compounding. First is the time. You have to be patient and you have to be invest for the long term if you want to be a rich person. And the second factor is the interest rate. Definitely you have to choose that kinds of portfolios, that kinds of companies which may have the good interest rate in the future. So according to your risk capabilities you have to choose the portfolios. So these are the important two factors. One is the time, second is the interest rate. So if you want to be a rich persons, you have to work on compounding. You have to invest in early stage for the long time. Choose a good portfolio. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much to see this video till end. If you new on channel, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.